What's up, everybody? We turn 1 year old today. What better way than to go through a year of recap and what we've learned here on the Beyond the Fly YouTube channel. Hitting up Clear Creek, right where we originally started. Lock and loaded with a Copper John, which is exactly what we used last year. We get up around this corner. So one of the big things you've heard me almost say every video, is to not just rush right into the water. Trust me, I'm just as excited as anybody else out there to be on the water right now. I've been sick. I've not felt good the last almost month. So right now I'm jonesing to get a line wet, sling some line, get our fly fishing therapy on. But we're gonna stand back here for a sec, take a gander at Mother Nature. And just like that, no rush, sneak attack. Beautiful fish. Water's cold. Look at that. Well, that's definitely going to be the nicest one we've caught out of Clear Creek to date right there. Again, sneak attack. Not getting our undies in a wad. Foam is where a fish's home is. Let's get her done from there, people. Let's do your thing. Copper John for 2. Gotta love it. .48 degrees. Key things, checking the water temp, especially as hot as it was this summer. Know when to get off the water. Clip it to the laces, tuck it inside your boot. However you want to do it, it's a quick visual check. It's always there. You're usually in the water, so you can check, quick reference, roll up, see what the temperature is, boogie on out. That's incredible right there. I have only had a few fish this summer on a dry fly, so that is fantastic. I just can't ask for anything better. Truly grateful. I'm speechless right now. Absolutely speechless. Hey, friend. Thanks for coming and playing. I knew there was another one of you in there. Right in the lip. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Thanks, bud. You're awful birdie. Catch you next time. Thank you. Well, my friend, our time has once again quickly come to an end. If any of you figure out how to slow down the time on the water, that'd be greatly appreciated. Because wowee, does it go fast. But as we reflect on this year, I must say, pretty darn proud. Pretty darn proud and grateful for the miles covered, the places seen, the energy, the time, the mental brain capacity to put these videos together, get them thrown up on the Beyond the Fly YouTube channel. Pretty excited for all that. Really grateful to each and every one of you that has subscribed to the channel throughout the year. All the comments and likes, even a few dislikes, doesn't hurt my feelings. Can't appease everybody. But I must say, a year later, the skills we've picked up, the practice, the time, asking questions, reading articles, hanging out with people, has really truly paid off. So I'm pretty excited for that. Last year we threw on a copper john. That was our first fly ever tied. Brought it back out here again. Last year we got one. This year I lost count. Still got a little bit of punchiness going on up in the brain, but we put a lot of brown in the net, and you all know that's my favorite fish. So I'm going to take that. That's a good sign. Mother Nature taking care of us. That's an indicator we're going to continue on into year number 2, and I hope you all continue to join along and watch. I really appreciate the support from each and every one of you. We've come a long ways. Health has come farther than it's ever has in the last 5.5 years, almost 6. So I'm really truly grateful for that, and thankful for the energy, like I said, the time, yeah, just getting better. All my family, friends, doctors that support me. It's a big deal. I like being out here. I like what fly fishing's done for me. And I wasn't really sure how to start this channel, other than I knew I needed to share my story and get it out there. Hopefully inspire a few people to get out and find something that'll ignite a passion, spark an interest, or just do anything. Especially if you're fighting a long-term disease, because it can just get frustrating. It can get stressful. It can really get depressing. And if you got something else that can break up the monotony of your day-to-day life, then by golly, get out there. Even if you can only do it for a few minutes. You know, when I first started coming out here, it was months it took me before I'd walk through anything that was remotely green. Now, just do a tick check when I get back to the truck, and everything's okay. I'm still nervous about it, which I think a person should be. Just means that I respect it. So right now, I appreciate everybody that hangs out here, that has subscribed, that's dropped a comment. Some of us have become pretty good friends, and I love to hear from you. But we'll go into year 2. It looks like we're going to year 2 doing really well. So this was just fantastic and just a true blessing. But thanks again. Hope you enjoy this next year's footage. I hope it's a good one. It's feeling like it's going to be good. But anyhow, thanks again. We'll catch you all next time on Beyond the Fly.